A factory reset on your ProForm Treadmill is a complete system restoration that returns the machine to its original factory settings. This process erases all user data, custom settings, workout history, and calibration information. After a factory reset, the treadmill returns to its original state with no user profiles, no saved workouts, and default calibration settings. All personal data is completely wiped from the system. There are three main types of resets you should understand. A factory reset completely wipes everything. A soft reset is simply a power cycle that clears temporary errors while keeping your settings. A calibration reset specifically targets speed and incline sensors without affecting user profiles. Knowing when to perform a reset is crucial for maintaining your treadmill. The most common triggers include software update issues, connectivity problems with iFit, calibration drift where speeds become inaccurate, and persistent error codes that won't clear. Recent ProForm models from 2023 to 2025 feature iFit integration and touchscreen interfaces, requiring different reset methods compared to older LCD display models. For touchscreen models, you typically hold the power button and volume down button, then navigate through the settings menu. Older models often use key combinations like holding stop, speed up, and speed down buttons simultaneously. Before performing any reset, always ensure you have your iFit account information handy for re-authentication afterward. Make sure the treadmill is positioned safely with the belt at its lowest speed and 0% incline. Having a stable power connection throughout the process is essential to prevent corruption during the reset. Before performing a factory reset on your ProForm treadmill, proper preparation is essential for success. Let's walk through the critical steps you need to take first. First, back up your important data. This includes your workout history, user profiles, and any custom programs you've created. Write down your iFit login credentials as you'll need to re-authenticate after the reset. Next, position your treadmill safely. Set the belt to its lowest speed and ensure the incline is at 0%. This prevents any unexpected movement during the reset process. The reset method depends on your treadmill model. Modern touchscreen models use different procedures than older LCD display models. Let's examine the specific steps for each type. For touchscreen models from 2023 to 2025, like the Carbon T10, use a two-stage approach. First, perform a network reset through the settings menu, then follow with a complete factory reset. For LCD display models from 2020 to 2022, use the traditional key combination method. Hold stop, speed up, and speed down buttons simultaneously for 5 to 10 seconds. Factory resets are often triggered by persistent error codes. Understanding these codes helps determine when a reset is necessary and what type of calibration may be required afterward. Error code E1 indicates a speed sensor issue and requires speed calibration after reset. E2 points to incline motor problems needing incline system reset. E3 suggests communication errors requiring a full console reset. Modern ProForm treadmills often include automatic calibration features that activate after a reset. However, some models may require manual calibration for optimal performance. Automatic calibration runs during the first 5 minutes of operation for speed sensors, while incline motors self-calibrate across their full range. If manual calibration is needed, run the treadmill at specific speeds like 1.0, 3.0, and 6.0 miles per hour. Understanding success rates can help you decide whether to attempt the reset yourself or seek professional help. DIY resets succeed about 73% of the time, while professional technicians achieve 96% success rates. Consider seeking professional help if you encounter persistent issues, are unfamiliar with your specific model, or if the reset doesn't resolve the problem. Professional technicians have specialized tools and experience with model-specific procedures.